Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is January the 13th, 2019. This is the home of the 2-minute price prediction, as well as giving you all the news according to the charts. We're going to talk about Citi. Okay, ticker symbol C. They are going to be releasing their fourth quarter earning tomorrow morning before the stock market opens, pre-market trading. So we're going to come in and give you all what we expect this particular stock to do before the market actually opens regarding the price action once this news actually comes out on how they did in the fourth quarter 2018. Before I get started, if this is your first time watching this particular video, make sure that you guys go ahead and like and share this content if you appreciate it. And not only that, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification, because you will become notified whenever we upload this type of content to this particular medium. Now, what we are giving you is the opportunity to see that you're able to predict prices without causing you any confusion. We're not going to waste any of your time. We do this relatively easy and simple. We get in, look at the price chart. It tells us exactly what it's planning on doing, and we give you our analysis and we leave it at that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and look at the price chart today regarding Citigroup to see if the market is going to pop after it releases its earnings, or are we going to see a continuation to the downside. This is an article here by MarketWatch regarding Citi coming out with its earnings. I'm not going to go through it, but I will leave a link there for you in case you all like to read numbers, or you do that fundamental analysis thing. But here at HueFin News, we want to pay attention to the chart because everyone else has already placed their predictions here. And if you are able to analyze and estimate it correctly, you can actually profit from what they have already accumulated, or what they have done, and what they foresee to happen in the future. Okay, so looking at Citi right now on the monthly price chart, you can see here that the market is still making a very slight progression to the upside. Okay, the market is hovering above our ascension line that we do have in the space. Last month was a very dreadful month in Citigroup. Currently in the month of January, we are seeing some indication that the market is trying to get back up to that $60 price. Now that is a resistance area. Okay, the last time that we tried to break above that $60 price in Citi was during July of 2015. Ever since then, the market hovered above it, and then we broke through it last month. That is not a very good thing to see in the long term for Citigroup. Okay, so the monthly chart is giving us some indication that the market is kind of insinuating another pop to the upside. It might hit that $60 and then push back down to lower prices. But when you look at it on the weekly chart, you can actually tell that the market is hitting resistance at that $57.50 price. So the market and Citigroup is actually getting weaker. Okay, I think we have already came to a top in the market for Citigroup with the earnings released tomorrow, which is right here. I'm still expecting the market to try to hold some consolidation though. We might try to come back down to $52 or even around this ascension line. But I want you all to understand that as long as Citigroup trades above this solid black line, we will continue to see a strength move to the upside. But you can also tell here, let me draw this real quick, that we are trading around some resistance right here in this particular area. So the market actually may pop up there if the news reports is positive. But what you can tell here is that over the last week, this previous week in the market and Citigroup, we got a very small spread on that high volume. Tells us again that the market is beginning weaker. So we are looking for the market to move to the downside in Citigroup tomorrow before its earning. Okay, that is going to be our analysis. This is what the price chart is insinuating to us as of this particular moment, a move to the downside. Okay, so our analysis for Citigroup is for the market to move lower in price, okay, before market opens. I think they're supposed to release their earnings pre-market, meaning that we won't have opportunity, if you're not on the inside, to actually trade the market move. So this is one of the indications why you need to be in the market before any news come out, because you can profit handsomely if you're already in the move. So right now the chart is definitely trying to tell us Citigroup is getting weaker. We're looking forward to move to the downside. Now we just got to wait and see how the market plans out tomorrow after the reports of its earnings. Okay, so we just want to come in and give you all the update of what Citigroup is planning on doing according to the price chart. A lot of analysts are seeing some positivity for Citigroup regarding some of the financial numbers But overall, it's not all about that. It's about what the market wants. And currently it is getting weaker. We are hitting resistance at that $57.50 price. I am expecting the market in Citi to move to the downside, and it might hold it relatively quick around $55 or so. But overall, the market in Citi is still moving higher in price, but I think a short-term pop to the downside is in store relatively soon. So that is my analysis. We'll see how it works out tomorrow in the market. We're giving you our price prediction the unconfusing way. You know, there's nothing confusing about our price chart. We're literally here giving you the news according to the charts as well. So give us your thoughts, give us your opinion, leave us a comment in the comment section of this video, and tell us whether or not you expect the market to move higher for Citi, or do you think it's going to move to the downside. Again, we do appreciate you all taking out the opportunity to watch this video. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.